Look what they're doing at the Prairie Naval Air Station. They're tearing all of the buildings down and pulling up all the concrete, probably full of asbestos. Oh, here comes a truck. Oh, I'm sorry. Probably full of asbestos is why they're doing it. Those buildings have been up over 60 years. Oops, I'm sorry.
Tell us about your travel nightmare.
Yeah, do that. Air One, we're dealing with Michelle.
You know,
I know this road is bumpy, sorry. You see, this isn't even half of it.
About 30 minutes because someone went into diabetic shock.
That's right.
Does anyone have a Snickers?
Nobody had one.
I know, I'm like, boy, if that's not reason to carry around a Snickers in my purse, I don't know what is.
Look at this.
Find a single candy bar.
They have made a lot of mess.
Okay.
They are cleaning some of it up.
30 minutes later, we got to our destination. But some of the most extreme travel experiences, one in three of us, by the way, have had something crazy happen to us.
I wish I knew how to edit this part here out, because these are the buildings that are still
really a reasonable response. Okay.
Being choked by another passenger.
It happens all the time.
I'm going to turn this radio
another
off.
Passenger.
See, look at way back there. Bringing in all that dirt. They've taken down about 10 buildings over here already. I have the green light. I have to watch what I'm doing. Excuse me. Oh, look at that. Oh, way back there. See all that empty land now? They've taken out all those, almost all those buildings back there, and they're still starting on some of them. Look at that. And here was just a giant parking lot, and they dug all that concrete up. It's over 60 years old. Anyway, all the way back, they're clearing this entire Naval Air Station. Bye.